real quick, we are going to discuss what headers fit first gen chargers. Right off the bat, I'm not going to show you how I installed them. We can take a peek if you want. Okay, I got the wrap on the starter. You're going to need, first of all, you're going to need a shorty starter right off the bat. The original starter, the big guy here, okay, that's not going to work. You're going to need a mini starter for these headers. And the only headers, I think there's a couple different ones, but these are the ones I installed. 78070 Hedman headers, okay, bolted right up. I'm going to run through the process real quick with you, how it's done. And I ran Flowmasters. But anyway, obviously got to take the old cast headers off. And remember, on the driver's side, the long bolt goes into the water jacket. All right, so when you pull off your cast headers, you're gonna have antifreeze going everywhere. Just keep that in mind. Got to take the spark plugs out. And if you listen to what I'm doing, it'll solve you a lot of headaches. All right, number one, you got to take off where are we at here? Right here. You got to take off this bolt out of your motor mount. Okay. Take that bolt out of your motor mount, jack up one side of the car with a bottle jack, whatever you can do. If you don't have a lift, then use a floor jack. Lift it up, and the headers will fall in from the top side. And repeat on the other side. But you can't pull them both out at the same time. You might have a problem getting them back in. Do one side first, do the other side, and then you're off to the races. The headers will go right in. If you can't get them in from the bottom, and I had no problems whatsoever by taking that bolt out of the motor mount, and should be good to go. And as far as exhaust goes, like I said, I went with the stainless with the Y pipe. And I always use Flowmaster 40s normally on most of my stuff. You can do what you want. But anyway, I hope that helped you, and it'll save you a lot of time. And thanks for coming along. Please like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.